The Nike Basketball 2025 Christmas collection blends festive storytelling with performance-driven design. Leading off, the Giannis Freak 7 embraces a bold seasonal identity. A purple-dominant upper sets the tone, while red and green accents along the outsole bring subtle Christmas flavor. Icy details and white speckling tie it into the collection's snowed-in theme, reflecting Giannis Antetokounmpo's powerful yet playful presence on the court. Next is the Ja 3, the most visually striking pair in the lineup. Neon gradients pop against crisp white mesh, creating a sharp contrast that feels energetic and fearless. Globe-style details and icy tones reinforce the winter concept, perfectly matching Ja Morant's explosive and fast-paced style of play. The KD18 takes a more understated approach. Soft light blue hues and clean detailing give it a calm, versatile look that works beyond the holidays. This quiet confidence mirrors Kevin Durant's game, efficient, smooth, and timeless, making it one of the most wearable Christmas colorways in the collection. Built for quickness and control, the GT Cut 3 arrives with icy palettes and white speckling that echo snow-covered courts. Performance-focused and visually sharp, it fits seamlessly into the snowed-in theme while catering to players who thrive on speed and precision. The GT Hustle 3 leans darker, featuring black mesh with snowy wraparound accents and globe-inspired details. The contrast gives it a winter night aesthetic, blending toughness with finesse and reinforcing its reputation as a high-energy, high-impact performer. Closing the lineup is the LeBron 23 stocking stuffer. Playful yet meaningful, it features Cole-inspired heel graphics and subtle nods to LeBron James' long history of Christmas Day games. It's a fitting finale, festive, symbolic, and built for dominance, wrapping up the collection with star power. Together, the Nike Basketball 2025 Christmas collection extends the holiday season beyond December 25, delivering winter-ready designs that carry the game forward into the new year.